satin leather. It came with 2 zipper on here. Let me just bring it in the front.
Another husband in my DMs, sir. Aren't you engaged? I got every right how to talk, how I want it.
Guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm kicking off this week vlog with getting my hair done. I'm just waking up from a afternoon nap. So today is September 2nd. Happy new month, guys. Happy new month. Fall is coming. For this autumn season, I know it's going to be more chill for me. I really don't have a lot planned just to get, ready for winter and stuff like that. But tomorrow is Sunday and I'm heading to a brunch, so I need to get my hair done. I went out earlier. I went to the Amish market. I did my grocery shopping, did a little bit of cleaning. I will continue cleaning tomorrow, but I'm tired. I came in. It was really hot today. I'm not sure if that's the reason, but I came in and I got a terrible headache. I didn't take anything for it. I basically drink a lot of water trying to stay hydrated, but I woke up and the headache is still here, so I might be a little bit off, but that's it. I'm super excited. Autumn is almost here, you guys, and then we're going into fall and then winter. So yeah, we're getting there. But yeah, I'm about to get my hair done. I washed my hair as well today. I just got it braided. I put some big plaits in there. I did this all by myself. And yeah, I'll be installing a wig. So I'm going to do that. I also have a bag for you guys. And I want to do a review, but I'll get into that as I get further into the video. But this review is going to be amazing because this is one of the cutest bags ever. So yeah, let me get my hair started and then we can get back into the video. Let's get started. I might add a wig cap or I might not. I'm not sure. I'm doing this short wig. It's pretty short. Nothing long, nothing too fancy dancy. Just a quick hairdo so I can kind of like look a little bit decent, So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. Alright, so let's get this hair install started.
Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to.
Seriously, in the winter, I'm gonna need a break. I'm gonna have to find something. I might do sewing. I'm gonna give frontal a break.
Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to. Don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you sorta deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. Daddy never cared, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to. Don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses.
this moisturizer.
Roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to. Don't let them stop you from blooming. Questions and all they assuming. Even the dark side of moons can shine, but it'll take some time and you can find what you're looking for. You lay on the star you should be shooting for, yeah. Don't take some risks, you'll get damaged, and he cannot handle your standards. Yeah, you're the only one he'll talk about, but don't have to change the way you talk it out. So how many times will you pick up your pedals till ain't nothing left, girl, you need someone else. On the inside, girl, you soft, I can tell, and on the outside, girl, you hard like a shell. I know you're tired of them broken hearts, but even roses can be torn apart. Torn apart. Broken roses, I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never open. So take some time to don't compromise you.
So I'm going in with my Makeup Forever, and I am in the shade 2F01. And I love this foundation. I've been using it for the past, I think, 2 years. So far, so good. I love it. Okay, guys, so I've applied my foundation. Now I'm going to go ahead with powder. I'm not doing a lot because I don't want to be too cakey. I will be outside, so it's only light powder. Alright. Next, I want to try these two liquid blush that I got from Juvia's Place. I've never used a liquid blush before, but I'm excited to try these, so let's give it a try. So this is in the shade Barbie Rose, and the other one is in the shade Soft Tulip. So this is Soft Tulip, and this is Barbie Rose. So this is what they look like. Alright, I think I'm gonna go for let me try the Barbie Rose. See that I'm wearing a pink dress. Let me see. I'm doing it lightly because I don't want to do a lot. I'm gonna try to apply that with my fingers. Alright, we're gonna blend that out some more, but let's do this. Okay, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Alright. I just don't want to be too pinky.
Don't let them touch your surface. Yeah. Love is such a strong vocabulary, I mean everything that's really imaginary can seem really, you know you sort of deserve better. The best part about trust is just the third letter. Can't nobody do you better than you do you. No Netflix and chills, only self-love and Hulu. That they never can, so that's really why you broken. Better to live alone, to just live in the moment. Broken roses.
Alright guys, I'm gonna set my face and then I'm gonna finish my lip gloss, okay?
I can't focus. Something precious like you should be never opened. So take some time to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses. Broken roses. You'll turn to don't compromise you, cause you're worth it. Don't let them touch your surface. You'll turn to broken roses.
guys think? I love it. Pretty simple, nothing fancy. I just have to accessorize now, put my dress on, and then I'll be through the door. But before we do so, let me go ahead and review this bag that I showed you earlier on in this video. And this bag was sent to me by Coeebags, and this is a company out of China. I've worked with them before. They do sell high-end replica bags. If you guys are interested, I will be leaving the information in the description bar below, so be sure to check that out. So this is the actual box that the bag came in. The shipping box I already threw out because that was a bit damaged, but this is the beautiful Chanel box that it came in. And opening the box, there's all the fancy whistles. It also came with a gift bag, a shopping bag, but I'm not sure where that is right now. Also came with the authenticity card, a booklet with how to care for the bag, instructions, you know, stuff like that, extra ribbon, and then it also came in a dust bag with the Chanel logo on the front. Drawstring. I think the quality of the dust bag is amazing. And the bag that I will be reviewing is the Mini Vanity from Chanel. This bag is all over the gram. I love it. I think I'll be requesting one for my Christmas present, but shh, don't tell anyone. So it came in a little tissue paper with Chanel on the front as well. So let's take that off. And you guys know I already take a peek, so, you know, don't mind that. So this is the bag. It's a beautiful bag. Let me just take this wrapper off. This bag is absolutely stunning. I love the hard wearing. I always go for the hard wearing on a bag because I think that is what makes the bag stand out, and it is no different with Chanel. Actually, they're known for that. And I'm just loving this beauty. Very beautiful pattern leather. It came with 2 zipper on here. Let me just bring it in the front. So these are the 2 zipper. The only thing is you can never manage this bag with only one hand. You have to use both hands. That's the only way you're able to maneuver this bag. It is so tiny, but it's going to take a lot. Okay, so it came with a chain strap, which is adjustable, but it's not detachable, which is fine. Love the gold detailing. The Chanel logo is on the hardwaring. Gold and black hardwaring is always a beautiful combination. I love that combination a lot. Also on the front, you do have the big CC logo, and that is a statement piece. It's a very tiny bag, so you're not able to fit a lot of stuff on the inside, but I'm going to show you guys what the inside look like. So this is the inside. Also came with the Chanel tag on the inside as well. So overall, this is a pretty neat bag. There's nothing much to it, but I can tell you this is a statement piece. I definitely love how it hangs. It fits just right. I am 5'3", and it sits right on my waist, which I think is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely will be taking this bag as a crossbody bag, but if you're a top handle, you can also shorten the strap and take it as that as well. Let me try to do that, so I can show you guys what that style looks like. Hold on. Okay, so this is it if you're taking it as a top handle bag. Love, love, love. So this is a beautiful piece, you guys. So if you guys are interested, remember, I will leave the information in the description bar below. I also have a coupon code that you guys can use to get some discount off your purchase. So that is it for this beautiful bag. I'm going to finish getting dressed, and then I will come back on camera and show you guys what the finished look is like. So stay tuned, and I'll be right back.
Once upon a time, every Sunday night, I'd fill my head with pages engraved with a love like fate. Thought I got the lesson, waiting on somebody to save me, wishing on shooting stars. Read between the lines, started to take what's mine. Instead of hesitating, felt like a brand new ride, no longer passenger side. Guess I was suffocating, waiting on somebody to save me. Wishing on shooting stars